Show you how to use Prixpility Pro free of cost. It is Pro version actually. Pro version charges around 2000 rupees per month. That I'll show you how you'll get it for 1 year. Yeah, see, if you go for ChatGPT, it is around $20 per month. Prixpility around $20 per month for the multiple top AI models. So this is actually costly, around 2000 rupees per month you have to pay. So instead of that, I am going to tell you how you will get it free of cost using Airtel. So for that, first I will show you demo. You see here, Pro version is coming because I am using, and how I used, I will tell you. So I received one email from Airtel yesterday only, and you see, it is showing 17,000 rupees saving in the email. So by seeing this email, I thought it is fake email or what. This is a hack email, but I am father of the hackers. So I first scanned this email, and then I found this is the genuine email. Then I click on this link. So I tell you, if you don't receive the email, even though you can be able to install, so you have to go to the Airtel Thanks app or My Airtel app, and if you scroll down little down on the landing page, so you can see claim OTTs. Down you can see circle and more. Click over there, and then you can see many options. So OTT Pro version, Prexplity Pro come yesterday, so that is the reason it is coming in the top. Otherwise it maybe come in the second number or third number. So you see anywhere you can see. You click over there. Once you click, then you can see it is saying 12 months free with my number. So you will get by your number also. And once you see, you can go and read the details. It is saying chat GPT 4.1 Gemini cloud model you will get free. So this is good, only 17,000 rupees I am going to save. And thanks for Airtel for providing this free of us. And then you see here Grok, Sonar, Gemini, everything it is covering. So these all are whatever you want to question answer, you can get it. And after that you can see 12 months free. And 17 July 2025 to 17th, what is that, oh, this claim tenure July to January. If you don't claim after January, it is going to expire. So I am going to I'm going, oh, 17th of July only it is lunch, means around 10 days only before only. So okay, good. So I am 27th of July today, so I'm going to install today now. And no charge, no auto renew. It will not auto renew also, so this is good only. You will not get any auto bill, so this is good. And once you click on the next, so you will see you have to put your email ID, or you have to log in with Google or Apple. So I am going to give my email ID, and once I give, it will send one OTP number even in your email. So OTP number I am cutting it for the security reason. Once I put the OTP, I have to click on the link. So after that this is the email to get the OTP, and after that it is started working. So that's all for this Pro version, and I can able to use this one. So thanks all. This is bharatwar.com, mydress.com.